Not to be dramatic, but this mic is killing my vibe until I found this. This is the KUKIHO Wireless Microphones. Plug and play, no apps, just clean sound. This is a live sound test. No filters, no apps, no edits. Now I'm gonna walk away so you can hear me. So let me know if you can hear me. Yes, you can hear me. Can you still hear me? I am quite a distance, and the sound, it's great, right? Clean, clear. This is the charging case, and it keeps them ready to go. I've used them all week, and they still haven't run out of battery. This $35 microphone should cost $200. I'm never going back. Tap the card. Your content deserves better sound.